Alright, this is big camera. Let's get in there real fast. I would usually come in here if I came here without a camera. Alright, so let's check it out real fast. And I can cool down. Usually this place is packed too. Dang, I want an electric bike. A lot of the stuff in the store is overpriced. You can find a lot of the stuff on Amazon. But if you are visiting Japan, I highly suggest you come here and buy like chocolates and like snacks here. I'll show you. And it's tax-free, so if you're visiting, it's tax-free. Let's check it out in here. Oh, not my section, but here's some candy, Kit Kats, alcohol. I'll buy alcohol. They have sake and stuff, and they're all tax-free. Get some Japanese whiskey. Alright, let's go up. Do this real quick. This floor is the camera floor. Let's go back. Get some watches. This floor is the TV. I always check out the TVs even though they're overpriced as well. Let's check it out. This 80-inch TV is how much is this? 1 million yen. That's like $10,000. Wow. Cause yeah, that's right? 1 million. 1 million is about 10,000. 80-inch, 70 inches. What is this? How much is this? They don't have the price? It's free. I don't know. Damn, that's some good quality. I don't have the price. Okay. Alright, this one's $2,000, 70-inch TV. I mean, you can get a 70-inch in America for like $1,000. But in Japan, it's like double the price. It's like $4,000. About $350, $3,500. What is this, a Panasonic? 60 inches. Overpriced. Where's all the Korean ones? They got Hisense. $1,000 for a 60-inch 4K. 65 inches Sony. Dang, that one's nice. Got a frame. Oh. 77 inches. Alright, let's go. So yeah, I think everywhere they're always trying to rip people off in Japan, and people just agree with it. But some of these floor models, they sell them upstairs. There's an outlet upstairs, and basically they just sell the floor models that's been out here, so it's probably been used for like maybe a year or two. Okay, we got some Apple stuff here. Electronics. This is like sports goods. Sixth floor. Let's see. Alright, vacuums, home appliance, rice cookers. 7th floor. Alright, pillows, bedding, furniture, lights. Alright, let's go to the 8th floor. Oh, they got video games too. Alright, so this is the outlet. There's also a 100 yen shop. Let's check out these TVs. I think if I were to move into another place, I would buy a TV here. Alright, let's see. Wow, 90,000. So $700 for a 55-inch LG. I find it that the LGs are not popular, maybe because Japanese people don't want Korean brand. I'm not sure. 900 bucks for 60 inches. This is what I would buy if I had 90,000 right now. Inches, 55 inches for 600 bucks. I'd buy something like that. Sometimes they have like a whole bunch of TVs come in. Look at how thin this one is. 1,000 bucks, 65 inches. 65 inches, 1,000 bucks. Toshiba. 60 inches. Yeah, I would buy something like this, 55 inches. 60 inches for 1,000. 1,000 for... I'd buy this actually. This is a good one. 5 inches. Alright, I think I'm done. He also sells some watches and electronics. So, if you move to Japan, I would suggest to come to these outlet stores and buy a washing machine or whatever you need, because everything is really overpriced here for everybody. They're all ridiculously priced. I bought all my things secondhand. I got a refrigerator, I got a big washer, got a big refrigerator. The 100 yen shop. Alright, so let's go back down. Come here.
階です。上に参ります。
Should I get a fan? Alright, so I'm sweating like crazy now. Alright, so round one is right across the street. And it's that right there. That's where they have like the arcade and the bowling alley. We'll just run through there real quick and then we'll go to American Mura. Let's see what it looks like at nighttime, and then I'll just head home from there. We're gonna go to round one. Oh, what is that? Let's see what it is. Shit. Okay, so let's go in here, round one. And then we'll go to American Mura, and then that'll be it for today. I wish they had the automatic sprays. I don't really like the automatic. I don't like touching these. Alright, so they check your temperature here. I do want to play one, but I don't want to touch anything. I think there was a guy in here that didn't want me to film. I want to play this one. Yeah, might as well do one. You always got to do one. Yeah, should I do $5? I only got 500. Nah, I'm gonna skip on it. I'm gonna think about it. Get some Pringles. Alright, let's go upstairs. See, the last time I was at the other round one, they made me put the camera away because it was so big, but now I have the GoPro, it's so small. trying to avoid any employees here. Okay, we got the bowling, got pool tables. It's like there's a ping pong, there's a bowl, we got some pool tables. Wow. We got some darts. Bowling. Okay. So I guess I don't know what the bowling alleys are, but that was the bowling alley counter, and then this is the karaoke. They also have a rock climb wall on the outside. I'll show you guys later. Okay. It's confusing. Oh, the top floors are bowling floors. Bowling, bowling, bowling. And this is the karaoke. Alright. Alright, now coming out. See, another. That was the same girl. They always hang out where all the people come in. And actually I was gonna go to the American Village, but I want to see if Kuraman Market is still open. It's close by here, and I might as well, because I don't think I'm gonna come here for a while. I just came here to pick up my laptop. What is all this? It's in one of those special cafes where they dress up. Okay. Alright. So we'll go to Kuraman Market, then we'll go to American Village, then go home. Because I can make like 5 videos just from today. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh. I'm getting kind of tired. Alright, I'll just let my camera cool down first, and I'll see you guys there. Actually, I don't know what this lady is all about. Maybe it's a cafe? Okay. Actually, do you guys want to see on the way there? I don't know. I heard this GoPro doesn't do well in low lighting. Hopefully it's alright. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it off for about 5 minutes.